I think your clothes are not original and they don't cater to Jamaica. Neither is your name original.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost, like normally. Yes, you pray. And as you can see, we are going to talk about what the description of the video you say. So please consider subscribing if it's your first time over here, so just for no miss out. Alright people, so after Spice establish our brand called Graci Noir, you see me, Amari go out of the box as a Jamaican. You see, remember we are all Jamaican, you know. You see me, and if I did somebody else from some native country or whatever the case might be, we could have sued it. But if bad mind was a person, we would have give it to Amari any day, anytime, guys. You see me, so this is what Amari had to say after Spice publish our brand. You see, pray.
And I must say something before I go, though. I think it's the wrong time to put out a clothing line, Spice, because now it's quarantine. You know, who cares about a clothing line right now? And I think your clothes are not original and they don't cater to Jamaica. Neither is your name original, because everybody knows that Dior is a very popular name. And as a Jamaican, when I come out with my clothing line, it will definitely have a patois name, because a Jamaican, me say, me nah switch. Me nah go come this far or reach as far as these people and then go name a clothing line Dior. I'm a Jamaican, so it a go name something like Vibes or some ghetto name. You understand? So thumbs down to Graci Dior.
Yeah man, people comment down below. Bad mind active. And one name content time, by the way. Or a quarantine she mean. You see me? Explain that down below there for my peeps. But anyways, on to the next week go, right? So Cardi B keep her birthday party, you see me? You don't know that go. Silence enough people when them see Offset on her back. Together a whole of vibe. So enough people will think them divorced. But I know that will come for talk about that. Different, you see me? So I want leak picture of Cardi B went on the media where people are such a junk and thing, exposing our bosoms and thing. Well, me nah go share that picture there in my video, cause me don't want YouTube flag my page, but I probably put it on my thumbnail. So if you see the thumbnail, you see me, I eat that. You see it pretty.
Wow, you just look so rested now. So same thing here. 1, 2, 3. For anyone that
Era people, let me refresh on a quick. So that is called Botoxing. You see me? Yes, so she injects it in her lip to make it look fat. You see me? It's, yeah, surgical thing. You see me? So I'm making you see a quick piece of it.
wow, you just look so rested now. So same thing here. 1, 2, 3. For anyone that has full lips that develop these little wrinkles, and all we're doing is just kind of plumping them up. We don't want to put too much so they look so. You see, the lower lip doesn't hurt. It's just. And you're such a good patient. You're not even bleeding a lot. Right. Beautiful. Great. And then I have 2 more pricks to the top lip and we're done. Like I want to put it right in here. Should be numb from the first time. Yep. And then one more thing. Great. That's it.
Does this cheek seem A little higher than this one too.
No, it's not that it's higher. I think because of the piercing, it makes this look a little higher.
What did you suggest? You say I need a little.
I mean, if you want like big chiseled, you probably can do more. I just, I know we did just 2 syringes and 2 syringes here. Maybe if I'll use 2 more, like 1 more here and then 1 more here, that will give you more of a definition.
Yeah, go ahead.
So 2 more.
So 2 more is how much?
Casey will tell you, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go get it.
Come back in?
Yes, I'm coming right. I'm just gonna go get it to finish your treatment already, yes. I'll have her just write it for you, okay? Then we'll put, see, just natural. No one will even tell you had your lips done. Let's put some Aquaphor so they don't feel so dry.
That I go on pan what I go on, guys. Woman they lie, but she look rested. That look rested. But anyways, you know, I never really did plan for flag Amari due to how, you see me? I don't like these people, but the girl like this too many people, if you get me. You see me? And I don't really like that. So I don't really want to gear no forward for the people. Them say, oh, me a gear forward like last time. And them something there, you see me? But I have to refresh you and keep on up.
Alva says she want me chat too much if me for audio. But I know you have fear or something. I don't know. Actually, Alva said for audio. What am I planning on the AC? I don't know. So you want me to
Dante?
No, because she said me chat too much.
Yeah, but when I'm already blood clot, you say you never let me go on her. You never let your blood clot, British bulldog or your mongrel. You know, fed her back to come back and she does trick your dog come back. And say she have 1,000 appointments in a one night every 2 hours. But you know easy. And you want to come let me go on this poor little child now. Look how you style her. The worst thing a man can tell a woman to do is go beard. And you don't tell the girl I'm ready for go beard. So what else me for do now? Well, oh yeah, baby, we have put her on the ground. Oh, we are going to put her on the ground, we're going to dig her up, we're going to put her on the wall, we're going to take out the wall, and we're going to cremate her.
I know you're going to do it. I don't know.
Oh, you want to do it?
I don't know.
Yeah, but you know what? You have a voice, so you know what? Hear me, so, oh, God, man. Oh, bad me go to her, man. Oh, God, man. Look at her lava, the worst thing.
I lower then.
Yeah, the worst thing, man.
Lower then.
Tell one woman I forgot it, man. Good God, man. We are spared that day, man. Jesus Christ, man. We are spared that day, man.
Alright, low.
So here we go, lava. Can we just get one quick little money? So you see the page where them say I give away the 1,000 pound. What I sitting? Yes, lava, me go call the page to blood clot. One man in England answer me. Me can't tell you a blood clot. One man over England answer me. Me never say Canada, me never say Jamaica. Can me see the era code +444 sitting there one next something one. About 21 number, yes, lava. And them say $20 for the raffle. 20 people put in the raffle. And you get 1,000 pound of Louis. So all of the girls we are wearing the Louis were made in China. And the Louis them were made down at Princess Street down at Jamaica. You can get the real Louis. Yes, darling. Yes, you can get the real Louis, $20. And then $1,000, £1,000 pound. Lava, £1,000 pound with a Louis things. You understand me? I know say England that I come from here, £8,000 pound. So when you reach a Jamaica now, you calculate it at Jamaica money. You see me? But me know saying as US, it's gonna be $1,400 a year. So all of the girls know we are wearing the knockoff and the knockout and the TKO Louis Vuitton them. Yeah, the Louis Vuitton them. Yeah, the girls wearing the Louis Vuitton them. The Louis Vuitton, yeah. The boy have the Louis Vuitton, yeah, $1,000, £1,000 pound, yeah. And any money the queen they pound good like Wull. Yeah, so chip in a little money and save and they can win that thing. So they can stop wearing the Louis them. They stop with 5th Avenue Louis them. Yeah, and stop with on a Princess Street Louis them. Yeah, because them the Louis they're supposed to scratch up the wall like in between the first 2 and the second 2.
One and the girl named Jolly say for rest I know, lower I know.
Jolly, me done it a long blood clot time. Me never heard nobody and dig them up. Jolly, me done it a long time. I tell you, say, if you want that thing, you can link me. You understand me? Me can give you some credit.